Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today we are going to discuss Tesla and see what are the targets of the stock and where the price can go and what is the specific pattern of the stock and how can we kind of predict the future of the stock, like how it's going to go up, how it's going to go down. So let's just start. I noticed that this stock is moving in a channel, so I'll try to draw the channel for you guys. Let's take this point. So this is the way it's moving. Okay, now let's see. It's taking resistance at the top. It took a resistance over here at the top of the channel. Then again it took resistance over here at the top of the channel, and now it is going to reach its resistance. But before reaching that resistance, it can go up till 635 maybe. So that will be a point to book your profit partly, or whatever ratio you want to keep. And the next buying level will be around the midline, because it takes support at the midline. The midline can act as a resistance, as you can see over here of the channel. It can act as a support once it crosses it. But if it comes down from the top, it can act as a support as well. Once it's broken, then it will act as a resistance, and it will take support at the bottom of the channel, the way it has done in the past. So this is Tesla for you guys. This is one way of reading the stock, how it's going to perform in the future. So please note down the important levels of the stock. If it takes support over here, at the bottom of the channel, the level is going to be 430. 430 you should remember, and 530, and most probably 640, 530 in the middle if it takes support over here, and at the bottom it's going to be around 430. So this is one way of analyzing Tesla. And let's do the Fibonacci levels, how we can predict on the Fibonacci basis. We'll take a low point somewhere. Let's take it here, and then we'll extend it to the top because it's in an uptrend. I'll make a proper Fibonacci video for you guys in the future, which will have everything in detail. But let me now just make this Fibonacci level for you. So I'm drawing Fibonacci level earlier this time, just to make you understand the importance of Fibonacci before marking the support and resistance. So okay, so this is the top point of the Tesla stock, and it has come down to this level. Okay, it can retrace to 236 level, then it can go down to, no, sorry, 500 level. I'm sorry, 500 level, then it can come down to 439 levels. Okay, and over here 390 levels. So now let me just rub it for a few minutes. Let's start by drawing the support and resistance lines. This was the resistance which Tesla has crossed to reach the top, which is 585, and this was one more support point. It was finding it difficult to take support over here, then it used to break it and go down, then again cross it. So this was a nice area of consolidation. It did consolidate and then went up. Okay, so let's find more points of support. Yeah, I find this one. There are three places where it has taken support: 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you can count this as the fourth one. Now these two red bars, it was taking, these were the resistance points. Okay, on the top of these points, top of these bars were resistance. So now it has crossed those resistance points, and they are acting as supports now. Like it had fallen earlier, but this point was acting as a support. So we have to remember these lines, and they will help us in future. This is one more support area, and now I'm just marking the points. I'm not saying that it's going to fall down to 190. Tesla is a strong share, so we'll be, careful with what we comment or say on it. Otherwise, people might get annoyed. Okay, so I have marked most of the support and resistance points over here. Now let's check on the weekly time frame. I think we're pretty much done. I don't see Tesla going to 35, So we'll just have a look at the monthly chart. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So let's go back to the daily chart now. And apply Fibonacci levels again. We have taken the bottom to top approach in Fibonacci because this is an uptrend. Okay, so we'll mark it over here, and now as you can see, it's matching with the support and resistance levels perfectly. You know, it's perfectly matching with the levels of support and resistance which we have marked. Now, if it falls, the 502 level is going to be a good buying opportunity. 430, near 430 or 434 is going to be an awesome level to buy with a small stop loss. You can keep your stop loss to 420 or whatever suits you. Then another level will be 378. So these are the important levels for Tesla, and the best buying level, if you ask me, is around 270 or 333 according to Fibonacci, as well as my support and resistance levels. Now let's go to the moving averages. Now the moving averages, according to the moving averages, it is in a huge uptrend, but it has gone far away from the moving averages. So once it goes too far away from the moving average, it has to come back to them. So the pink line which we see over here is the 8-day moving average. 13-day moving average is the purple line. And the blue line is the 20-day moving average, and the orange line over here is the 50-day moving average. And the black line is the 100-day moving average, which is extremely important. The 200-day moving average is a classic red line. So if it falls and something goes wrong or there's huge profit booking, the best buying level where it can take support is at the 434 levels, near the 100-day moving average, around 340, 350 levels will be very good levels for it to take support. And the next levels will be like 333 marked over here. And if you ask me, the best buying level, like which will be a no-brainer for Tesla, will be 271. But that's not going to happen anytime soon. Depends totally on the big players or the smart money of the stock market. So we have to just take a trade which is in high reward and low risk. So there's no point buying Tesla over here. You can either book your profits. I have drawn a channel also. You can see at the top of the channel, you have to book your profits and then wait for it to come down, cool down, and then buy it at these levels. So at least 50% of the profit should be booked according to me. The rest you can ask your advisor, a financial advisor. So this was Tesla for you guys. I hope you liked my analysis, and you can rewind the video and see the channel which I have marked in Tesla. I hope you find it useful. This is the way I analyze all the stocks. technically, and my analysis is more of technical, like 75% of it is technical analysis and 25% is fundamental analysis. So I'm a high probability trader and investor, so I trade according to the technical. So thank you so much again for coming to watch my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, just uh, you know uh, subscribe to my channel. I'm so happy that you've come here, and I'll keep coming up with new videos. If you want any videos which I should make on different stocks or any other stock market strategy, if you're interested in, just leave your comment and I will get back to you guys.